Hey guys, I'm Logan at Ride Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to build a 55 to 57 Tri-5 street grip. All right, we'll start off by building the boxes here. And we'll continue going with these custom street grip boxes. These boxes are made specifically to fit the street grip that we're building, the Tri-5. We've got our fiberglass monoleaf leaf springs that we use for all of our street grip kits. And all we got to do here is we press the bushings in now. All right, we'll go ahead and pull our powder coated pieces. And at this point, we just wrap all the pieces and we put them in the boxes and get them ready for shipping. And with these, we got our Delrin bushings here. These are self-lubricating, and it's just a great alternative to the poly bushings. Okay, so now it's just as much as packing the box and we'll be good to go. And there you have it, a 55 to 57 Tri-5 street grip kit.